Grimskull was a war boss who started the War of Groya. Fitted with a Mega Armor exoskeleton, armed with a big shooter and power claw. His assault of the planet aboard his kill cruiser was blown up by a stupid beaky called Tight-Ass. Hoping to get his hands on a newbie Gargant before the beakies could stop him, Grimskull got distracted and tried to get a blue sparkly thing which powered Groya's Daka. Stupid Tight-Ass unplugged the sparkly thing, making Grimskull's war get more stuck in. That Inquisitor Drogon talking him into putting it into another gubbins to try and rip Grimskull's war's brains up to bits. Luring Grimskull away from the weaker Umi gits so they could regroup. When Drogon put the sparkly thing into the goblins, it fired a thingy what didn't affect Grimskull but made them Griblies join the scrap. Swamped by a bunch of weird things who dragged Grimskull down to the depths of the spire, the weird boss rambled on about some stupid plot or something until Grimskull climbed his way back up, accidentally saving Tight-Ass's life. Wrestling the spiky git called Nemiroth, cause Tight-Ass wasn't any fun no more. Though Grimskull fell from a well-high place, his assertion that he ain't that easy to kill proved right. Facing Tight-Ass alone to prove who was more Garg. Though he wasn't done with the beaky, clearly he was done with him, as a blast of Daka blew his head off. Shame about Grimskull, I kinda liked him, but he should have known you don't scrap with the protagonist who's on the cover of the box.